we drunk and all of our thumbs went up in the air. Singing in the wind, listen to the thunder rolling over and over. We drunk and all of our thumbs went up in the air. Singing in the wind.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I'm Yasmin and Nasuha BINTI ASRI from UiTM campus PASIR GUDANG, J4 CEEC 1104D. Today, I will present to you a government agency that provides affordable and high-quality housing for middle-income Malaysians. And I'm choosing Residensi Prima Bandar Meru Raya in Ipoh, Perak. For the project description, Residensi Prima Bandar Meru Raya is located in Ipoh, Perak. This project was completed in 2018 and it is part of the Prima housing scheme. It was designed to help middle-income Malaysians, M40, especially those earning between 2,500 ringgit to 15,000 ringgit per month, own a decent and affordable home. Do you guys know the development offers over 1,011 freehold units? There are two main layouts, which are Type A, which is 1,137 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and for Type B, which is slightly smaller at 959 square feet, but also with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The facilities are impressive for the price range, where there is a swimming pool, surau, multi-purpose hall, kindergartens, and round-the-clock security. Plus, I'm adding an information where there is not in slide, which is it's super convenient because it is located in near Maidin Mall and Terminal Amal Jaya. Okay, let's move on to our next slide. Building something like this isn't done by just one party. A whole range of stakeholders are involved at different stages. For planning and approval stage, we've got Prima Corporation, the Ministry of Local Government, KPKT, and local authorities like MBI. For the second stage, design and compliance, architects, engineers, and CIDB are involved during this phase. Next, we move on to our next stage, which is construction. Construction is handled by main contractors and subcontractors. For financing stage, banks and Prima financing partners play a key role in helping buyers with loans. Then, Prima's sales team manage allocations were often through an online balloting system. Last but not least, after completion, property management firms and resident committees help keep things running smoothly. Then we move on to our next slide, strengths and weaknesses. So, what's working well with Prima? First off, its targeted income group. It serves the M40 group who really need housing. Next, we move on to our next point of strength, which is strategic locations. Many of the projects are placed strategically close to urban centers, which makes commuting easier. Next is government supports. Prima homes always come with government support, which helps lower the entry barrier for the first-time buyers. On top of that, the design and facilities make the environment comfortable and family-friendly. However, of course, there are a few weaknesses. One big issue is poor allocation efficiency. Sometimes units go to people who are not really first-time buyers, who are just buying to invest. You know what? Slow completion or oversupply is one of the weakness for this project, because some Prima projects took too long or were built in areas where there wasn't much demand. So the third point of weakness is limited awareness and outreach. A bunch of people still have no idea how to apply, and because of that, the awareness becomes low. And last but not least, financing barriers. Even though the homes are more affordable, young people still struggle to get financings due to rising living costs and stagnant wages. For this slide, CIDB's role and importance of material selection. This is where CIDB, or the Construction Industry Development Board, plays a major role. They help to ensure the design standards for affordable housing are safe, cost effective, and sustainable. Developers and local authorities to make sure everything meets Malaysian standards. And they also promote the use of IPS, which means industrialized buildings system, which helps speed up construction and reduce waste. Okay, now let's talk solutions, especially for the younger generation. One great way to help the young generation access affordable housing is by expanding rent to own schemes with lower deposits and fixed rental terms. So, fresh graduates or first jobbers can slowly work toward ownership. Another way is young generation enhancements to the balloting system and digital applications. The third idea is we should also push for stronger partnerships with private developers by offering tax incentives or letting them co-develop affordable housing with Prima. Other than that, to adapt to modern lifestyles, use modular housing and co-living spaces could be introduced for singles or young couples. And honestly, instruction in financial literacy is a must. Young people need to understand things like loans, budgeting, and housing costs. Last but not least, the government could offer grants or priority housing to youth who work near Prima projects, which would reduce commuting costs and encourage long-term ownership. For the summary, Residensi Prima Bandar Meru Raya is an affordable condo project in Ipoh, built for middle-income families. It's modern, secure, and comes with great facilities like a pool and playground. This location's super convenient, close to highways, malls, and schools. It's perfect for first-time home buyers looking for a comfy and well-connected place to live. Thank you.